Neuronwriter is an AI-powered content creation and NLP optimization platform designed to help businesses, marketers, bloggers, and agencies improve online visibility through better quality web content. In short, Neuronwriter aims to leverage AI technology at every stage of the content lifecycle, from ideation to optimization. This helps content creators work more brilliantly, eliminate grunt work, and publish more high-performing content faster. Next, let's look at some of the key features and capabilities Neuronwriter offers. Key features and benefits. Neuronwriter has advanced content research, creation, optimization, and management features. Here are some of the core capabilities. Neuronwriter aims to optimize individual content pieces and your entire content creation workflow. Content ideas and planning. The software helps you strategically plan out content across topics and keywords. The content ideas feature generates headline suggestions and outlines for your following articles based on your existing content and competitors. This makes it easy to brainstorm relevant topics your audience will find valuable. You can then use the content planner to map out content across different categories months in advance. This high-level planning ensures you always have a pipeline of content ideas. Content management. All your drafts and published content are centrally managed within Neuronwriter. You can assign content to team members, track status, share work-in-progress drafts, and quickly find past content. This simplifies collaboration. Published content is categorized by keyword and topic so you can analyze how each has performed over time. Streamlined publishing. When your draft is complete, Neuronwriter makes it easy to publish your work. For WordPress users, there is a simple one-click publish to your blog. For other platforms, content can be easily exported to share anywhere. The software also suggests related internal content pieces you may want to link to in each new article. This helps drive engagement and SEO. Tips for using Neuronwriter effectively. If you do decide to try Neuronwriter, here are some tips to get the most value from it. Take time to learn all features properly. Complete the built-in Academy courses. Analyze competitors that produce high-quality content similar to your niche. This produces better results. Heavily edit AI-generated drafts before publishing live. Don't post as is. Use the directives tool to improve auto-writing results by providing examples and guardrails. Focus on middle and long-tail keywords, these tend to convert searchers better. Start by optimizing existing top posts, then roll out improvements site-wide. Check Google Search Console and Analytics regularly to validate SEO and ranking improvements. Use the collaboration features to get the team involved in content creation. Properly onboarding Neuronwriter and integrating it into your workflow is critical to getting maximum value. However, once mastered, it can take your content creation to the next level. Neuronwriter review, final thoughts. After several weeks of hands-on use, I'm blown away by Neuronwriter's capabilities. It has become an integral piece of my content creation workflow. The AI research tools provide invaluable insights to create high-performing content consistently. While the auto-generated drafts require editing, they still save tons of creative time compared to writing from scratch. On top of that, the NLP-based content optimization and management features help me work smarter. By streamlining my process with Neuronwriter, I can produce more content faster, yielding measurable SEO and ranking results already. My most significant benefits have been increased output and implementing optimization best practices at scale across my site. For any content marketer, blogger, or agency, I highly recommend checking out Neuronwriter. The time and efficiency gains are invaluable.